Man, whose baby is this? And why is he, what's this? Oh, it's one of them new pocket cameras. It looks good. I wonder what's in it. So I'm shooting this with the Pocket 3 right now. Everybody else has done a review unboxing of this, so I'm just going to give you some tips. We just had a Halloween party, had some footage of that. It looks pretty cool on there. I'll probably just show you some right here over top of me, but either way, here's a few helpful tips that I learned, and then a bonus tip about the wireless microphone. So either way, it's a good time. Okay, it is like almost 2 in the morning. I'm gonna get this video out just to help everybody else out. As you can see, I am going to use the Pocket 3 for mainly most of my recording. I just ate all my food. I worked late. I just got the Pocket 3, I think last Friday, so DJI literally shipped it out to me on the day, got it to me, 2-day delivery, UPS. Look how cute and cuddly it is. You know what I mean? Got the flip out screen and everything else like that. The main secret here is everyone's like, I can't shoot in 4K when I'm shooting vertically because the sensor will crop it to 3K. First off, why are you shooting in 4K in a vertical mode when no one's gonna watch it in 4K probably in vertical mode? But if you want to, very simple. Just turn it sideways and shoot whatever you like in any mode you want. You can use the joystick, move it down, move it up. You can active track however you want. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. 4K. You're welcome. The next tip is with the DJI mic, the new one. So number one, turn on. Make sure it turns on. If it's got the blue, it'll turn on. It'll tell you when it does. Tap on that screen to make it go away. Go to your settings. Go to a wireless mic. If you're lucky, you'll have 2 transmitters, but they're not selling them. Next tip is to turn on audio to video sync, which helps you out. Turn on 32-bit float recording, because even if you yell or you scream, you can save it in post. Granted, you have to connect your USB-C to this, audio sync the files into whatever editing software you have. It's pretty easy. Plus, if you automatically do that, it'll automatically turn red whenever you hit the record button on your Pocket 3. So that was extremely helpful for me. So the next tip I got is, everybody's been saying, oh, well, just me, probably because I'm a dumbass, but I was like, how do I move this gimbal up and down? How do I do that? Like do this and do that so I can look at food and whatnot. So my dumbass didn't know you could click over here at the zoom, and then that helps me zoom in and zoom out. So I felt so dumb. So all you gotta do is tap that, and then you can control your gimbal up and down. You can always go left and right, which was easy. But I had no idea. You could just tap that zoom button and it'd be perfectly fine. Other audio tip, you have to have the microphone on. Once again, swipe to the left here, go to the cute DJI mic right there. And then once you have that, you can turn up your gain. You can mute your transmitter. Don't accidentally hit that because then you'll have no sound. But the main thing I did was turn off this noise reduction. It makes it super muffled whenever you have that on. Granted, it probably works really good in wind, but this wind muff does extremely well. So please turn that off for better audio. And the last tip I got going here is everyone was talking about noise reduction and sharpness. So I was like, what are you talking about? I have no idea how to change that. I know on the Action 4 it was more obvious, but basically you gotta swipe left. If I can swipe left, because I'm having a hard time now. But you gotta make sure you're in pro mode. So if you're not, man, click on pro mode here, scroll all the way down, go to adjustments, custom ones. It'll automatically be on default. You'll be like, I don't know what the hell's going on. So then you hit custom, then you have the noise reduction and the sharpness there. And yes, you have to adjust it for different picture profiles, but hit confirm, that'll help you out. I really like to not have it as sharp as image or noise reduction. So I had no idea where that was at, so I felt like a big dumbass too. And the last tip, granted, this is not really a tip, but I was messing around with the mic that came with it, the new wireless mic. And you can technically connect it to your iPhone. I'll have it pulled up, screen it, recording. Basically, you turn on the mic. You have to hit the link button on there, which is the same one that you would link to the Pocket 3. Then you go into your iPhone settings, you go to Bluetooth, you connect it to your Bluetooth, and it'll show up as your DJI mic. And you can click on it, and you're like, oh man, this is gonna work as a microphone. But unfortunately, it thinks it's a speaker. So I don't know if this is a software, firmware scenario. This is probably alluding to the future. So maybe they have a plan for this. I'm assuming that they could connect this as Action 4. I'm assuming you could technically connect it to the GoPro's Bluetooth. Is that what you think? You think? I mean, honestly, if you had a Bluetooth microphone, which there's like one on the market right now, and that was the old Pocket 2 microphone. So who knows? But you can connect your microphone to Bluetooth devices. Now it'll think it's a speaker on your phone. I really haven't figured out a way. I even downloaded the Blackmagic camera app, and it gives you an option for audio. So it just doesn't work. But I'm sure someone smarter than me can figure it out. Hopefully you like the video. Like, comment, subscribe.